Ever wondered if you can unlock the power of that American Express gift card through your PayPal account? Let's find out. Unfortunately, you can't directly link an American Express gift card to your PayPal account in the same way you would a traditional credit or debit card. PayPal requires verification steps that prepaid gift cards often don't support. However, there's a workaround. Many online stores that accept PayPal also directly accept American Express, so during checkout, bypass PayPal and select the direct credit card payment option if available. When prompted for payment information, simply enter the American Express gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the security code located on the back. Another option is to use your Amex gift card to purchase a merchant-specific gift card through websites like MyGiftCardsPlus or similar reputable platforms. Then, you can add the merchant-specific gift card to your online store wallet and use it at checkout. If none of these options work, consider using an alternative payment method linked to your PayPal account, such as a bank account or a debit card, and save the Amex gift card for a different purchase. So, while directly linking your American Express gift card to PayPal isn't possible, these are some great alternatives to help you spend the gift card online. Good luck!